Days of the Week by Anna Milbourne. Today is Monday. It's a go to work and school day. I go to preschool and play with paints and blocks. Hooray for Monday! What day is it tomorrow? Tuesday. Tuesday is shopping day. No time to stop today. We bought milk and bread and apples too. Let's put it all away. Hooray for Monday and Tuesday. What day is it tomorrow? Wednesday. Wednesday is washing day, a cleaning up and mopping day. Clothes in the washing machine go round and round and round. Hooray for Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. What day is it tomorrow? Thursday. Thursday is baking day. We're making yummy cakes today. We measure out and mix, then bake them in the oven. Hooray for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. What day is it tomorrow? Friday. Friday is a happy day. It's a dancing in the kitchen day. It's the last work and school day before the weekend's here. Hooray for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. The weekend starts tomorrow. What day will it be then? Saturday. Saturday is a weekend day. No school or work for us today. I go scooting to the park to play with all my friends. Hooray for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. What day is it tomorrow? Sunday. Sunday is the weekend too, just like yesterday. No school or work again. Time for a rest. After lunch, we snuggle with books. It's like a story nest. Hooray for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Tomorrow the week begins over again. What day is it tomorrow?